Embark on a journey into the extraordinary world of Nikola Tesla, a polymath whose brilliance transcended technology and ventured into the mystical. Discover the profound secrets encoded in the magic numbers 3, 6, and 9. Tesla's divine trinity for transforming your world. Today, we unravel the mysterious 369 technique, a powerful manifestation method inspired by Tesla's wisdom and designed to unleash the creator within you. Ready to manifest your desires? It's time to go beyond belief and experience the magic firsthand. Have you ever marveled at the brilliance of Nikola Tesla? A polymath who spoke 8 languages and held over 300 patents, Tesla wasn't just a technological pioneer. He delved into the mystical and discovered profound patterns in creation. The key to unlocking these secrets lies in the magic numbers 3, 6, and 9, a divine trinity that Tesla believed could transform your world. Today, we're diving into the infamous 369 technique, a powerful method to manifest your desires using the law of attraction. If you want to attract money easily starting today, check link in comments below to know the shocking wealth secrets revealed by rogue NASA scientist. The buzz around this technique has been circulating, and now it's your turn to experience it firsthand. Forget just hearing about it. I want you to try it for yourself, because when you apply these principles, you'll realize the profound truth. You are a creator, just as Jesus spoke of performing miracles. It's not about religion. It's about teaching us how to live better. Before we delve into the 369 technique, drop a comment if you're ready to manifest your desires. Right. I am my desired reality. Let's embark on this journey together. Many people are merely spectators in life, reacting to whatever unfolds. But I see something extraordinary in you. Imagine stepping away from a reactive mindset and embracing a creative one, just as Jesus suggested, creating the life you desire. It's not reserved for a select few. It's something every one of us can do with faith, the magical ingredient that turns belief into reality. Tesla, a vegetarian and vegan, believed in drawing energy directly from light, especially sunlight. His intentional food choices were a means of aligning with the pure source of energy. This aligns with the principle that reaching higher levels requires more energy, a concept crucial for manifesting your desires. Now, Tesla's brilliance went beyond gadgets. He saw the significance of the numbers 3, 6, and 9 in creation. These numbers, deeply rooted in numerology, hold profound truths. According to Tesla, 369 is the trinity of creation. We can leverage these numbers to shape our reality, as echoed in metaphysical teachings, such as the Bible. So here's the methodology for you. Choose an affirmation in the present tense, expressing what you want to achieve. Having a goal is powerful, as it directs your mind's focus and energy. Without a target, your mind tends to fixate on problems, fostering negativity. Successful people always have goals, targets they aim to achieve. But how do you believe in your goal? Start by expressing gratitude, just as Jesus emphasized in the Bible. Tesla's approach to accessing pure energy mirrors the importance of aligning yourself with the original source. So, let gratitude be your guide, saying, "Thank you, thank you, thank you," as if your desire has already manifested. Now, back to the 369 technique. Choose an affirmation, express gratitude, and repeat it 9 times a day, 3 times each in the morning, at noon, and at night. These key moments align with the mind's most suggestible states. But here's the secret. Don't just repeat like a robot. Feel it. Visualize your ideal life as you speak those affirmations. It's about the vibe, not just the words. And let's talk about the power of repetition. Infuse your affirmations with genuine emotion and belief. Without desire, your mind can spiral into negativity. So grab a pen and paper and jot down what you want. Start small, manifesting simple joys, and gradually aim higher. Commit to this practice for 9 days. It's your training ground for miracles. Fear and doubt may try to crash your manifestation party, but kick them out. Fear and faith are the architects of your destiny. Choose faith. Your success story is the beacon that lights the path for others. Share your victories, inspire others, and witness the miraculous changes in your life. Miracles happen when you believe and take action. So, what are you waiting for? Feel the power within, get inspired, and start creating the life you truly deserve. Your change begins today. There is no need for a calendar. And one last thing, I truly believe in you. Have an absolutely spectacular day. If you want to attract money easily starting today, check link in comments below to know the shocking wealth secrets revealed by rogue NASA scientist. As you take this transformative journey, remember, you are not a spectator in life, but a creator of your reality. Share your experiences with the 369 technique in the comments below. Your success is not just a personal victory, it's a beacon for others. Like Tesla, align yourself with the pure source of energy, express gratitude, and believe in the power within you. Kick fear out, choose faith, and start creating the life you deserve. Miracles await those who believe and take action. I believe in you. Have a spectacular day, and may your change begin today. No need for a calendar. Keep shining bright.